Hi everyone, I'm Emily and welcome back to another episode of AT Fridays. Today I'm going to introduce you to my friend Rob. She is my new Roborock S6 Pure robotic vacuum cleaner that I'm going to be talking about today. Here we go. So I've been trialling it for 2 weeks in my home and I'm surprisingly impressed with how good a job it does at vacuuming. I've only ever had standard vacuum cleaners prior to this, so it was a bit of a leap to get this one to trial, but I'm quite happy with it. So the S6 Pure mops and vacuums, which is awesome. You can program it so you can scan the rooms in your house with an app that comes with the vacuum cleaner, and it will scan your home and you can program it to vacuum exactly what you want to. It can avoid areas that you don't want it to go near, like if you've got a dog bowl of water that sits out or something, you can program it to just avoid that. You can also, I haven't actually programmed this one yet, so I've just been plonking it down. It does a scan of the room and then it'll go to work and it'll do the circumference of the room and then it'll go back and forth in a zigzag pattern until the room's completely clean. And I love it. I'll show you the close-up features first and then we'll do a demo of how she actually works. Okay, so if we open up the vacuum cleaner, you can see in here there's a little tool that comes with it, a brush to clean out the bottom of it. This is the cartridge where it stores all of the dust and lint and dirt. It's very easy to clean out. Then if we close it, I'll show you the bottom of it. Okay, so we've got a couple of wheels there, a little roller. This is the vacuum cleaner, which you'll see on any standard vacuum cleaner head. And then this is the special part. Seems so simple, but they're little plastic brushes that flick the dirt as it goes, and it flicks it into the roller here so it can be sucked up. And it's amazing. It does corners really well and edges, and it gets into places that you wouldn't think a round vacuum cleaner would be able to get to, so it's really good. All right, now let's see it in action. Okay, so this is the robotic vacuum cleaner on the charging dock. Just needs to plug into a wall, and as long as you have 1/2 meter of space either side, you can just leave it set up like that, and the robot actually returns itself to the dock and charges itself when it's finished cleaning. So to turn it on, just press the on button.
Starting to clean. Positioning. Please wait. Positioning failure. Starting and clean.
So I've placed a few obstacles for it so you can see how it goes with obstacles that it's not expecting. It's never been in this room before, so it doesn't have any memory of cleaning this one. It's quite gentle, as you can see. It's not going to damage your walls. Believe me, I have tested this thoroughly. Okay, it does under chairs, all the nooks and crannies. Okay, I'm just going to put my foot down so it thinks there's a wall here, so I can direct it to show you how it goes against edges like cupboards. Once you've programmed your room, you obviously need to do this. see, that little brush is flicking all the bits of dust and dirt into the vacuum cleaner. So it doesn't miss anything. Okay, and then it'll just go up and down and we'll get the entire surface of the floor several times until it's clean. I won't bore you with a 30-minute video or anything, but I'll just show you. If I've paused it now just by pressing the on button, and then if I've decided I'm finished, I can press the home button.
Going back to the dock.
And it returns itself. It will actually scan the room, find its dock, and then go back and put itself on recharge.
Charging.
You can also use it for things that aren't strictly as per the manufacturer's instructions. So the robotic vacuum cleaner would be suitable for anyone at all, but it would be especially useful for people with muscle weakness, chronic fatigue, orthostatic intolerance, just anyone really. It's so handy. You just have to be able to have enough fine motor skills to press the on button and let it go. That's really it. You may need some assistance if you have trouble with fine motor with cleaning out the filter, but apart from that, it's really easy to just set and forget, so it's great. This one is a middle of the range one. It retails for $799. I purchased it online. It was free postage, which was wonderful, and it was they regularly have sales, so this one was 20% off, which is great. Yeah, so I hope that has been helpful in some way. If you've been thinking about getting a robotic vacuum cleaner, yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised, and I hope you have a great day. Okay, bye. See you next week.